And I want to welcome everyone here this morning on this very, very special day for Emily and PK and their entire family. Very special day, obviously, for Habitat for Humanity. And I know a very special day for the school district of Palm Beach County and the two schools that are represented here today, Royal Palm Beach High School, HVAC Academy, and Seminole Ridge High School Construction Academy.
And I want to thank each and every one of you. Grateful, thankful, appreciative.
It feels great because I know I'm helping people that need the Habitat House for Humanity, and it's just like an accomplishment for our academy.
I can't think of any better people than all of the volunteers who have worked to make this home a success. But our students have put their toil and sweat into making this home a beautiful home for you.
1, 2, 3.
Today is like a really special day because we get to see the house like finally finished and everything, and we get to see it go to the homeowner because we've been working on this house for about a year now. So on behalf of everyone here, here are the keys to your new house. And we hope that you enjoy it.
I find it as a huge opportunity because some people, like our teacher says, there's like adults that are way older than us trying to get this, paying a lot of money for this, and we're in school getting it for free.
We did this!
We take advantage of this because not everybody can get this.
I'm really thankful because it really prepares us for the future, and it teaches us what it is to be out in the field working with other people.
You get to learn the basics of teamwork and how to work with others, and just how to do things the right way.
Here I plan to grow old. Here I plan to stay. Here I plan to raise the grandkids. Not soon, PK. You guys saw that, right? But someday, here my life will change and here her life will be better. And know that I will never forget that we built this house together. Thank you.